Good morning or early afternoon drawing. I know we briefly talked about what you guys are going to be working on towards the end of class yesterday, but I just want to kind of touch base with you guys since I'm not here in the classroom, and usually Fridays are dedicated to one specific thing. I don't have a sketchbook challenge for you guys. Matter of fact, for the third and sixth card markings, I kind of put the sketchbook challenges on hold so that we can focus on whatever the midterm project might be or whatever the task at hand is. With that being said, since today is a Friday, you guys are probably wondering, okay, well, what is it that you have going on for us? Well, like I told you guys or showed you yesterday, I created this really quick in-class exercise. I think you should have enough time in class today, but if not, I will dedicate some time in Monday's class for you guys to tie up some loose ends on this. To creating just a little bit more familiarity with using color, understanding color theory, and getting better at using the colored pencils as a whole. Now, I kind of briefly explained this yesterday with a little quick demonstration on the screen as to what it is you're going to be doing, but this little exercise is actually two-sided. One side has like the breakdown of what you're going to be doing when you go to select an actual color and fill these areas in. The other side has the area that you're actually going to be working on. There's 9 smaller samples of each one of these boxes that are now broken down into those 5 specific areas where you guys are going to be putting a specific shade, tint, or saturation of whatever color it is that you're looking at. Yesterday, when you guys were leaving, I believe the example that I did, and I'm going to try to bring this up on my iPad right now, basically looked something along the lines of this right here. Your middle portion, the middle box right there, is going to be the color that you select. It's going to be the hue, the color that you're moving along with. And then in a counterclockwise manner, well, this got turned around. Hold on. There we go. In a counterclockwise manner, you're going to choose the lightest tints to the darkest shades of that color. Now, this might mean that you literally go back here and select 4 extra color pencils, or through the magic of learning how to blend the color pencils, you simply just use the one here and add white or black, or possibly just burnish in a darker color or a lighter color to achieve those results. Now, what is this supposed to look like once you guys kind of near completion here? Well, through the magic of television and technology, I will kind of come in here and show you that once you're done with this, you'll have something that looks along the lines of a color wheel, but not necessarily in a wheel form. You're going to be doing this with every color that is in the color wheel. So you can see that I've got my green one down here, and I move up to the blue-greens, the blues, the purples, the purple-reds, the reds, the oranges, and even into the yellows. I don't really care the direction or the path that you want this to take, but you do need to make sure that you get all 6 basic colors of the color wheel represented on here. Now, probably what you're looking at right now saying is, well, 6 colors, how is that equal 9 gems or 9 boxes? Some of these are actually tertiary color blends. So if you guys decide to, like, for example, this one right here is a little bit more blue-green rather than just straight up blue. If you decide to throw a tertiary color in there, that's fine as well. Just make sure that the path kind of makes sense and you're not jumping all over the place, all right? Obviously, the format to this is going to be the same as you just saw with the big green gem that was in the middle. You're going to use the square, the inner square, the smallest square, as the representation of the color. And then in a counterclockwise manner, you're going to go from the lightest tint to the darkest shade, all right? And again, that might mean that you're choosing different colored pencils, or you're simply burnishing or blending in black or white or a second color in with that to achieve those results. I want to give you guys time to work on this, and I know 4th hour is a little bit longer than every other hour, but I don't want you guys to rush. The last thing that I want you guys to do is get bad results because you're having to hurry up and rush through this. If you guys get this done today, that's awesome. Congratulations. You guys can turn it in and get credit when I return Monday. If you can't finish through this and you only can get like maybe 3 or 4 of them done, that's okay too. You will receive time on Monday to work through this. But starting next week, I do want to spend some time kind of discussing the requirements of your portfolio piece that you're going to be working on. So I'm going to sign off from here. Wish you guys good luck. Have a nice weekend. And I can't wait to see the results that you've got from this exercise when I return on Monday. All right? Take care, guys.